Well, hi guys, what's up y'all? How you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Call me Selena Maya. If you're a new subscriber, karibu sana. If you are a return subscriber, thank you so much. Well, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do me the honor and subscribe. So with me here today, I'm going to show you a video on how to make KFC chicken at home with no oven. So with me, I have some spices. I have some few drumsticks. These spices are all mixed together. I have paprika, I have my chili powder, my garlic, my ginger, everything. So I'll just have to marinate this chicken all together for about a minute or so that the mixture can go inside well and the flavor can come out perfectly. So I'm going to marinate it for a while. Then after I saw maybe the spices are not enough, everything is in there. There's salt, there's everything. I just mixed everything together so that when adding, I just add them all together once. So after I'm done, I'm going to cover this with a cling film and let it marinate for about 2 hours. Then I start the process. Yeah. So after covering it up, I'll let it settle for a while. Then we go on to the next step, which will be introduced right now. So with me, I have flour. This whole like recipe doesn't need breadcrumbs. I did not use breadcrumbs, and did I not? And also I did not use eggs because they they tend to like cook quickly, and with this I just needed the flour and water because with flour it will take some time to cook so that the heat can also get inside the chicken, and I won't need any oven for this. For breadcrumbs and eggs, you'll need an oven because the breadcrumbs and eggs cook very fast. Now utapata zimeiva before the chicken inside cooks. So I'll just put the chicken into the flour, drain the excess flour, then put it in water. I saw this procedure somewhere and decided to try it. Then return it back to the flour, then cover it well with the flour until it is well covered so that it gets ready for deep frying. Cover it well. So that is it. Drain off the excess flour, and the same procedure we are going to do it in all the chicken that we have. Now our chicken is ready to get deep fried, and our oil had already heated up, so I'll just dip them in the oil. So while dipping them, you'll have to cook them for about 8 to 10 minutes because ndio itapata ndani pia ishaiva. You'll just dip them one by one and make sure your oil has covered your chicken very well so that it cooks evenly and it comes out with that golden crispy look at the end. So guys, just watch this video and I hope you like it. I hope you'll subscribe, share, and also comment. It will continue cooking until you see the color, all the flour will come out, yani kwele crispy. Then it will cook until you see the flour has now turned into a golden brown color that will be so appealing and itakuwa tu inakupendeza. So I'll be turning my chicken to make sure it doesn't burn, to make sure you see the thickness has increased. And yeah, so I'll just keep on turning to make sure everything is going fine, everything is just going as planned. Yeah, so for the final look, this is what it would look like when you are ready to remove it. Yeah, so right now we are ready to remove it, and we'll just shake off the excess oil that is in the chicken. Then we are good to go. We are good to go, and we're going to enjoy our chicken. You can have this with ketchup, you can have this with fries, you can have this with rice, sauteed potatoes. Yeah, you can have this with anything of your choice. So this is my final product and this is how it looks like. Hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, share.